This video is about how to install a stern trolley wheel for the EXOCET inflatable boat. First, prepare the following 5 components: a long bolt, a rubber wheel, a thick washer, an adjustable support rod, and a self-locking nut. Please note the R or L sticker on the support rod. During installation, distinguish between the left and right directions and use the corresponding support rod accordingly. Assemble the 5 components in order, paying attention to distinguishing between the thick washer and the self-locking nut with adhesive. Finally, use 2 wrenches to tighten the nut, being careful not to over-tighten, as this may prevent the wheel from rotating. Assemble the other wheel using the same method. Next, you need to replace the fixed block on the inner side of the stern plate. Use a smaller hex key to unscrew the 4 screws on the outer side of the stern plate. For some boat models, the threaded holes may contain a thick layer of waterproof adhesive. You can use the included scraper to clean it. Then, replace the inner fixed block. Take out the support rod locking block, making sure to install it with the outermost hole facing downward. Next, use a larger hex key to install the new screws. Secure the pre-assembled wheel using the pins. First, insert the pin through the middle hole, ensuring it passes through the U-shaped hole of the support rod. Then, use the second pin to pass through the top hole. This will secure the trolley wheel in place. When you need to use it, pull out the top pin and flip the support rod downward. Insert the pin into the bottom hole to complete the fixation. Once both wheels are installed, you can start enjoying more convenient outings and sailing.